Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about getting the SWIFT code of Krungthai Bank of Thailand. The whole process of getting the SWIFT code of Krungthai Bank of Thailand is going to be explained in this video step by step. So watch the video till end, do not skip any part of it. Before I proceed to the process of getting the SWIFT code of Krungthai Bank of Thailand, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. There is a link provided in the description box. By clicking the link, so you'll come to this page. Here you can see 4 boxes. The first box is to select the country, Thailand. So in this box, Thailand is already selected. If it is not, then select Thailand. The second box is to select the bank. So here we will select Krungthai Bank Thailand. The third box is to select the city. So in this, we will select the city of Bangkok. Now the fourth box is enabled, and the fourth box is to select the SWIFT code. As we click it, you can see a list of the SWIFT codes. We'll select the second one. As we select the SWIFT code, the all information about the SWIFT code will be provided to us. And friends, here you can see our SWIFT code. And again, the key information, the SWIFT code is provided here, and the bank name is also provided here. So this is the method by which you can get the SWIFT code of Krungthai Bank of Thailand. See you in another video. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment.